Hakuna Matata, my country people, at the throne a big salute for outside day. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. As when I've been sabi, 3 o'clock now, we always come for bring una 1 or 2 head talk for talk about how country in the tonton waka. We go check out to talk about palava, die body for woman them where they waka pick am, like say they waka pick, agri foul them where they die for inside your country. For outside country for Betwa, they move some Gondiri inside well where they talk about it, for about 3 to 4 days. How he enter inside well, no man, been sabi. For inside Douala, precisely for that side, for inside Douala 3, for Peka 11, they discover another Gonderi where he too, he don't sleep straight like a ruler. Palava accident, we go take una go for that side for Moli where, precisely for Chico Limbe, Motengene Highway. How it happened. Abu, Motowe, he carry funge. They want carry inside say wallahi talai and not be great because about 4 tonton lost their life after where moto he catch fire for sika say he carry one with the tonton call and say fake fungus. Student then they see tonton call for Oga Mayor Fondom and authorities say me they do something for open road for sika say way in order for them after way authorities they block stores, amber fighters, separatist fighters, them they block their own road. Even Konakora, watch on how picking into the suffer for that side for northwest, then will palava back to school. How northwest it be there, how southwest it be there, how littoral it be there, how central region it be tonton the way big gonderi manova Lyonga way naidi look out palava big book. He said it be there for fee, no matter say rain it be fall. Even governor for littoral he say I must do my work. My work not only for office where he get air condition. Under Sonu, under Reno, me Adede. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. As I come back, we enter inside to the proper. Make we start for Chakara Tori this afternoon, my good people, for talk about how country in the Tonton Waka will take una go to that side for Betwa, where they discover corpse for some Gondiri inside well. This well they were the dig for chantier, for use water, mold blocks. Patrick, I tell me you take me go to that side country where they tonton call and say Beto. I never tell me you bring me for Dekova, Macab, the one for Douala. Move first start with the one for Beto first. Before one come for Douala. The one for Beto. The one for Beto, Patrick. He there for that side, people they need to grieve to understand how. He never make 1 moon when they discover some man inside well. Police and Janam say they don't open investigate. Now in that way they tonton go for that side. If do now then call the firefighting brigade, they can struggle. Do all things where they will feed do and still struggle. Move the cops for that side, all my pregnant. And the cops it shows you don't be about 3 to 4 days for inside well for that side in less than 1 month. 2 cops is them inside well for corner chantier them. Esken na single na go tonton say they begin lock down where they own how they put a work and a work come for inside or na person can push it for inside but investigate it don't tonton come for that side as people they so tonton want to say wait it happen for inside your country where they tonton call and say Cameroon with the one where so they say na Palava Central of course last time we will talk about 3 weeks ago we talk about some man no this time around na woman we don't know whether next time go be na Pikin where they go move for inside well or na wait you and another Gonderi again Patrick. Take we move, come back for inside for littoral after see authorities and today we go for that side struggle for see how they fit tonton where some people identify them Gonde but no man in the tonton identify it. But for Douala here, another one again. The one of that side country they call and say for inside Douala 3 municipality. Precisely Peka 11. They discover corpse for some Gondiri. Where he sleep for corner road. They only call it to call quarter people. When I come, we don't see cop. Any man they can look up. Who been sabi this girl? No man, you know been sabi. So if you are sister, Now say, in fact, according to God, now we don't get for sure that but for kind, you not see young gonderi, your girlfriend, you tonton, make sure say me you can call go for corner to them for say me the tonton to you where so na your family man, na your sister on your picking. Wait it happen within gonderi, no man in no being sabi, wait it happen with the don't tonton move to other one where it be done for coincide water for that side for Peka 11. This time around they move another gonderi for this side country where they call and say wait for corner road where they don't tonton whether they killing or kill them or wait happen. But police, if be there for that side, gendarme, if be there for that side, for say me they open investigate and make sure say meeting and two, it better for them as necessary for inside this image them. So we check out the story for talk about all this kind of thing the way it happen for inside the country, wait it happen, we palava cop the way they pick them, go see na only woman they don't, yeah. Abandon them where you don't die. Wait till it happen, but we just wait say whether Ketu ego tori we wait till it be tonton it happen for that side before all this kind of thing happen, but they don't open investigate. When they go close them, we not be sabi. When we talk the one way it is shock and it is hot, it is vex. Plenty Cameroonians. Palava accident for Chico Douala Road. Because if you come on Douala now, you want to go immediately before as you finish Iato, you will see accident. When motor, small motor, it falls to the bed head. And now yesterday, you come on Iato as you just pass toll gate. Before you want to take that long stretch for toll gate, you will see another accident. Two small motor, oh man, you wonder. When you go down again, you want to reach for Mutengene, the Mutengene Hill. You go see another motor for inside valley, where you don't come for inside. Another one. Now so yesterday Monday, you continue again. Now another one this. For Moliwe, Mutengene Limbe Highway. Waiting happened yesterday. Would Palava accident the way they talk about 4.8 tonton lost their life inside this accident way. So now two small motor where they kiss for that side when a Palava waiting high speed and dodging of the way the tonton cars so it potholes them for this with the boy and Mutengene road for that side way. So God na said it there for that road in the struggle for Mark and Ministry for Transport, it for that side the struggle for macro them, whether they will come fix and away no, they work at put pen. But all man wonder. Now Palava waiting happened yesterday when they talk about more than 5 different accidents. The one for Yato, the one for Mutengene Hill, where we talk for the one, not talk of the one for Corner Tollgate, we won't take the one for that side, country with the Tonton country of Moliwe for that side. The only yesterday, Monday, about 4 to 5 different accidents, but take about 4 live there for that side, we can put it only one that said so wait till they go on for inside this country as they say, and wait to be the cause for the other one before the motor explode. Now say there's small motor. You know the motor that they carry funge, majority Patrick, they live for carry for Monday. Because no they were police and jana they get out because motor they for plenty. At least when one come for rotating of what you can say either leg or leg, they give a small thing, then they pass. Now the cost. And government don't say no selling of funge. Has the bond for sika funge. It don't turn me natural for police. You don't want to say police and gendarme and AC they don't get salary. You see them for corner road, come park. They don't come park from my sell petrol. You come and get your own chuku. Come park. For one day, like some 5-7 different control. It pass. They will put any police she don't pour naki, it take a combi, they she on top bike, ale oboyka will go hunting. Wham, they just park for front. You don't need to tell me the common cam for your corner, now you say the common cam can't get them. Come, they go park for front, you can't get. You go park for front, you can't get. Government is every day they fight against the funge. How they go fight? Now police and gendarme get for control say me they exist. But not them, not them be the highest promoters. They be the consumer self. And then the promoter, because they collect tax. Better government just better legalize and make that money get enter government coffers. Make they see how they will arrange them for fixing even a road or for fix something for that. Or they build small filling station them. Legalize on. Make they begin pay tax. Because if one man is there for one day, one man will sell petrol, it will pay bribe. Like some 5,000-7,000 for one day. If government want to calculate that money, how many petrol sellers are there inside country? How many? Thousands of them. Now how many money that Patrick? Now plenty to that's so. Where did they enter government coffers? Better thing go there. But instead, Kitu they work collect them. Go shank and chop body feed for evening. Work collect them. Go give money for that girlfriend them. Go collect them. The one will get sense, he go trouble see whether if he be hard to think of retirement. But why you don't get sense in Mate, he take them today, drink them tomorrow, you go get other one, he can't drink and chop them. Eh? Ah, belly became big no. No be so life goes ahead. See where it happen. Eh? See where it happen. People don't love their life. For Sika Funge. Patrick Abemu continue the Chakara to read this time around as we come for that side country for Limbe. But we'll take una go to for Northwest. Back to school. How it be tonton look like. Oh boy. See Bamda. Bamda be there like say, in fact, all man sabi say ghost town country Sunday. They need you with them. Eh? Since to them. Man be honor come on go for neighbor, girlfriend come on go for boyfriend, palava school, yes. They place them where they be highly secured. At least they fit talk say back to school. Now today we some 1 or 2, 3 begin they don't turn begin to think whether they so they will go back go to for classroom as go they don't talk now the examination classes begin them primary school, secondary school. Now them again for tonton see how they go come for inside classroom for she don't see how they go learn book. Make sure say me they write their official exam as they be don't tonton register for that side. But not west if you just tonton be the one way all man in the city talk say while government it implement a plan for Palava reconstruction for Northwest and Southwest. Me they not forget about Monday goes down. Wait till the cause of Monday goes down. May they see how they go tonton see how they go stop this one for that side where the war way it go on. But schools them, they be try their best. Headmaster, principal, they say no, better buy the pocket, put a small water, say fight against COVID-19. If picking they come, fine. If picking no come, oh yes, me I don't do my work, I go justify. I make my report, I want to take my salary. Somebody you know go tell me say I know my work. School board they say no maintenance. In fact, me say they don't say no, that thing is on a song. As how Trump will not first come out trade union leader the same government give them materials for fight against COVID-19, long nose, gel and other one for that side. If you know they so all man will be sabi tomorrow will be more of the update how that side country a tonton look like. Patrick, then we go southwest. Eh? We wanna see how southwest a bit tonton look like when the tonton can say boy. You know say boy, I don't be divided into two. Oh yes! My 16, Munya, my 17. Now another level of Boya, my 14. No, that's why they didn't call it Boya again. Eh? You want to come and return about Boya town. Somebody will go past it, I will go Boya. You don't go past, don't go talk for you be just to come back. Because you want to go uptown. Go for that whatever. So you see activity that go on the things something that happens where you don't understand. But when you take taxi, you take my 16, my 17, my 14, you go very look you fine. You go look your face. Eh? Look how you dress. He asks you one question. And you go for one side. You say you go my 14, you stay for it. Eh? If they control you before you want to enter motor, then some school them from my 16, my 17, if you talk about back to school, they don't know whether back to school they for that side. No preparation, no cutting of grass. Some government school them for that side, technical school them, you go to school, you see about 10 students. Oh yes! I lead teacher and say, if I don't come, my name, you go come up for that side for governor's office. I never do my work. Sometimes I want to go for bank. I don't go see salary. So better I try you. Better I bet the rig so. Huh? Classroom them, ready. Student yesterday, no, waiting. Goes down, come to Sunday. Oh yes. See? But for either than like Munyane so. So I say no, Palava school for that side. No. They still think about. They still think for see what to go do. Huh? Other one they don't transfer, other they don't relocate. Some teachers in fact they don't even find a different thing better. One they don't go to work their farm them. Say better they don't try for that side for see bed. Patrick, most of them for Southwest for talk about Ogan governor for Southwest it become make waka waka. Eh? In fact, when they talk of school for Southwest, they talk of boarding school. Mission school them, boarding school them, not them they turn gather 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 picking away, they don't pack their bags them. Tell Papa, say, Papa, bye, yo. I go me for my house because that picking they don't need for a worker for inside. Patrick, President will see that image for boarding school and when Ogan governor, he work, I go congratulate them, he give them clap behind, he say, hey, thank you. I don't go down for down there, I don't see no picking. I don't be service, I go mentor picking for you. So I give una congratulate. Now be the leaders of tomorrow. Oh yes. Because picking them for boarding school, they don't go see them for street. They come up for inside room them, just wear clothes, chop small thing, pass one time, can't control the learn book. So Oga governor worker, I go see them music school, and then give them smoke and tell me they go ahead so because we need to see how we will fight against this ghost town. Teachers and to them as early as possible for do their work. So no matter it happen, Oga governor Iwaka, he tell them say, may they go ahead and congratulate for them for saying meeting to a ton worker. But Patrick, press button, may we hear from Oga governor, make it tori we, waiting and how it see this Nongamen was for school and for back to school for that side for Southwest with this issue where they turn to fight against COVID-19.
All what you and me we have seen. The schools are effectively open. Children are there, respecting the distance put in place by the regulation. They are wearing their mask in all the entrances of classroom. You have bucket and water for children to wash their hands with soap. We think that what we are seeing today is good.
Distancing measures.
Now that Oga governor is say as una see am according by big book for government, it talks say officially back to school every day. Now yesterday, so today they need to count saying now official back to school for that side of South. They count and say na day 2. Yes. For beginning way, they prepare for go for school. Patrick, take me go to that side country where they call it Yaoundé. We will see how Minister for Big Book Nalova Lyonga, he said, every tonton waka go outside for see whether true. According by thing where he talk, but it be shock. In my block. Hey. It be shock what you say for Yaoundé. He said, what lie, Cameroon, and do not begin to be conscious of what will happen for inside this country? Kai! Patrick! In fact, I will look for your cousin today. Same thing when Tonton go on for that side for Yaoundé. Madame Nalova Lyonga, a worker from school to school, from class to class, for see how school they go. Oh boy, Madame Nalova Lyonga say it be shock. Why? The kind way schools them, they Tonton do it, prepare back to school against COVID-19. They put place for wash hand, they put kind thing for disinfect food. In fact, you come, you take your food, you put it on top water, it disinfect under food, then after you wipe food, before you enter for inside class. He say in the big shock, even he said, if they put that thing for look down whether the temperature is high, picking them when they come when they get the small fever, one time, fever again, you need to go for inside class because when they check and they see a temperature is high. One time, they send you for doctor place, so for inside school, where they say and say, if symptoms of COVID-19 day, one time, your name, that was a Peter, direct, and they get for making. So it work out. And not only she don't for talk with the big people, he come to a chakara small head talk with the picking and say, Una Asia, Una Sabino, me, if I did for you today, now I'm not only for Palawa back to school, now Palawa back to school, and the why they can't say COVID-19. How they don't put for camera all side for school for make sure say me all thing against this back to school, make a day punky. Then after the work at 2, it see mask so you know they find a tay or for school say change this mask for this picking. They want so you know go do better filter because small thing if it's also pass come out a fall for down and you know go find for Patrick. May we hear from Madame Nalova Lyonga make it to review how it feel for inside in Nongame way it don't work see the sukuru them.
Some of them, the way they have done their water points, I did not expect to find it in that way. Especially ESSOS, Collège Jean Tabé, Lycée Leclerc. We all in Cameroon have to be proud to have secondary school institutions like this. They have shown that they are capable of doing something. So I am very, very happy.
Oh yes, he said he be very, 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 very happy. Baby, need for going always. Patrick, show we picture image them for that side country they come and send them. Where? Beginning when they come on Jakiri, so when they go passing for Bamun land, before we can come for this side for Babusa. When they even want kind of Baminda here. Why? Since issue where Oga Mayor since number 18 day. He decide for lock market and say he want fight against Ghost Town. Separatist fighters, they say, okay, you lock market, we will lock road. Eh? Even road, corner road away, picking the use at some time for go come up for different villages them before take motor or boy, Amber, he do it, he lock them, separatist fighters. Now two governor for that side. They say me Oga Mayor, Patrick, press button no see that image for that side, no? Eh? Okay, put with the X and moon a year, even thing way that picking them, they talk for that side where they say they cry, say me Oga Mayor. He struggle up the road because they don't carry their bags them, their books, their clothes them. Now on top of it, for Tonton see how they go work out, go reach for another village before feet to for get bike for that side for say me they go for Bamenda, start for see how they go take even motor or bus for go for their various side and for go continue for land book for that side, especially the one they don't go for go see how they go help them mommy them for work small farm. Now with school, it don't Tonton start for that side, Patrick, as we talk for that side, so except you go see for that side, maybe the except for that side, me we hear as how picking them, they cry or talk about the one way them say they call and say to back to school, they want go learn book, but way for learn book, you know, they as they for inside this story. Them, but any idea control, Patrick, you say machine, you don't deny for give that one, but we'll surely come back tomorrow for bring now the image for that side from up. How population for that side in the sea cry, call upon say, make we do her, make Oga Mayor or governor for Northwest, he do something for say, may they open that shop there for up for say, make this body to the release load, open road. Because they can climb that Sabgahi. In fact, you want to go down for inside Budution. Be ready either you go part that Trumbiami or you go part inside Jakiri. But I say, all man, the one say how they go to work for this kind of way. It bring down all the economy. None of you need to enter, none of you need to come out. People that chop the tonton spoil for farm because road a day block. The one they don't go load camion them. They don't remain. We wait there for campers. Chop rotten for enter camion. Then they talk about a lot of damage. So they call to me or they try this or any other control. We'll show they come tomorrow for bringing an order to read them how it turns out they happen for that side. But Patrick, carry women go time for that side for both here for Mount Cameroon for talk with Dr. Fomona Richard Fu. Make it talk tell with the one way it be title and say men and women solution way it do terrible thing for outside.
Yeah, main solution na another miraculous medicine we will come with na high tech medicine. Where when you consume and for man pikin, when man pikin they say men when you be man pikin you get any problem whether na spiritual ono, whether na cancer, whether na prostate, whether na sexual weakness, na premature ejaculation, low sperm count, whether na tiredness, fatigue, any sick way you get, you take them. Just like we also get women's solution. When you take women's solution, when you whether na which kind of sick woman get them, whether na infertility, na block tubes, na ovarian cyst, na fibroid, na high blood, any kind of sick cancer, any sick woman get them, you take women's solution. It help for cure the sick. Right now they perform miracle for women. Them way they get problem for menses. Your menses don't block, and then they come. They take I perform miracle. Woman and they where they don't make like 10, 15 years no picking. They just take them picking. They enter because they open tubes, clean, then raise woman at fertility level. Woman when they hungry, man when they take them, it move dirty, charge the woman in skin. We get fibroid, growth. You take women's solution, it dissolve them all for down. Women's solution they work without limit, just like men's solution.
It work without limit, just like women's solution. Any idea control tomorrow will bring on more of the story. How country in Tonton happen? But Patrick, put with that thing number when something happen for a quarter on an area. If you want me put in Sabi and the way you Sabi, other put their own. If you make we move Sabi by calling we or inform we, then we say what Tonton make you know. How if it Tonton be for better way, well if you do for film and for meeting and 2 idea for better way. That thing number, if you call we to that thing number, make we move Sabi. Even for WhatsApp, you make we move Sabi to them. We say we go make the world be as one, like how they say nowadays, if not be chicken like thing where they happen for America, or scale for Sabi, where they go on for that for Dubai, we put it on left and right, strike they go on left and right. Now for Sika chicken Android phone, where the film person where Kitu in the maturity for that side, where the person is total lost in life, it turned Bina, it don't turn America upside down, where Palava COVID-19, the number of finish fight up around war inside war for that time. Any other control will bring more of that, update them how country in the worker. Me, Nakungu Saman Patrick, na be president for Simona Sima. I don't go.